Hello friends, yes it's me, Monica from Wicked Aviary, and with me today is Krampus. Yes, we are going to make this mask today, and if you want to follow, I have a pattern for you to download at wickedaviary.com, and this is the largest pattern I provided so far. It is 4 pages long, but it will make it a lot easier to make this mask, and all you need is some cardboard, paper and glue, and I used some Sculpey to make the teeth and just a couple of other things, but nothing complicated. Now, let's watch the video step by step and build an awesome mask. Now you need a mask to glue all the pattern pieces on. I am using base mask number 2 from the base mask video, and I will leave a link below if you do not have your own mask. I also had to cut out some space to accommodate the nose. Now while that dries, I'm making some fangs with just a bit of wire and Sculpey. I'm pushing the material onto the wire, making sure it's all around, so some fell off after baking, so make sure you have the back cover too. Here they are, my fangs, ready to bake. Now they magically appear in the mask. I have no footage how they got there, but I just used the wire to push them up into the cardboard, and it was remarkably easy. It stuck there without even putting any glue. And then I'm just cleaning up the edges again. Now I'm really happy the way the mask looks, and my initial plan was to cover everything with paper clay because I wanted it to be really smooth like wood. And yeah, I realized when I practiced that that was way too much work, and I decided, maybe foolishly, to cover the whole mask with glue and tissue paper. And of course that had the opposite effect of from smooth. It started to look more like bark. So was it a mistake? I don't know. I think I might have been better off to just skip this whole part and just concentrate on making it really smooth with the paper. But I did it, and I had to live with it. So and then when it came to the beard, I was torn too. I wanted to give it some volume, and I saw people using cotton and glue or some sort of paste to build up, I don't know, creatures, animals, whatever people are making. So I thought I tried. I grabbed some cotton balls from the washroom, and that was quite a learning curve. But it turned out all right. By the end of the beard, I kind of got the hang of it, and something I will explore further, but that was kind of a last minute try to figure something out. And you could also just use fur, but I wanted to keep kind of the wood look. Now the mask is all dry, and the cotton actually hardened surprisingly hard. I thought it would maintain some of its softness, but no, it's actually quite pooky, and I really have to be careful here. But I think looking good, and now another decision I had to make. I decided earlier on to just double up on the horns here, which in hindsight I don't think is necessary. If you want to use that design, just do it the same way as the short horns, with just adding paper and masking tape. But I am going to use horns I made a year ago. I made a Krampus Mask then, and those were the practice horns, and they look awesome, and I decided to put them on this mask here. Now, of course, if you decide to use the original horns there on the design, I think that also works beautifully, but I am going to take them off. It would be, of course, easier if I could decide beforehand which way to do it, because it took me quite a while to cut those horns off. It looks so easy sometimes on the video. And then just like it shows in the actual original video where I make the horns, I just glue gunned the horns onto the mask, and I also did cover it a little bit with glue and tape, but that's it. And then on with painting. Painting for me, of course, is a struggle. If you watch my videos, you know. But just watch and see what I did. Oh, okay. So as you watch me struggle with the paint job here, I realized I never even mentioned the tongue. And of course, I just covered it with a packaging paper, and I cut it in the middle a bit to try to give it a little bit of a shape. But this is really no problem, but I just wanted to mention it quickly. Thank you. Okay, it turned out all right. Now, a lot of painting, I always have trouble with that, but just persevere, keep on putting on different colors, and eventually it will work out. Now we have to find a Krampus run. I read there's a little one here in town. I will go check it out and see what it's all about. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Another adventure coming up right here. Or here.